Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up fly.io for deploying Docker containers, full guide step by step clearly. To set up fly.io for deploying Docker containers, first visit the fly.io website. Create an account by signing up with your email or using a GitHub account. Once registered, log into your fly.io dashboard. Install the Fly CLI by visiting the installation instructions section on the website. Follow the appropriate steps to install the CLI for your operating system. After installation, open your terminal or command prompt. Run the command flyauth login to log in through the CLI. This will open your web browser for authentication. Once logged in, navigate to the directory of your Docker project. If you don't have a Docker file yet, create one in the project directory. Make sure your Docker file is properly configured for your application. Next, initialize a Fly application by running the command flylaunch. You will be prompted to provide an application name and select a region for deployment. Once the application is created, Fly will generate a configuration file called fly.toml. Review the fly.toml file to ensure it aligns with your deployment settings. In your terminal, build your Docker image by running docker build t your image name. After the image is built, push the image to Fly's container registry using the command flyctl deploy. Leave the CLI running to watch the deployment process. Once deployment is complete, you will see the application URL in the terminal. Test your application by visiting the provided URL in a web browser. Finally, monitor your application's performance and logs using Flylogs. Congratulations, your Docker container is now successfully deployed on fly.io. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.